Surface Hub 2S now available in India. Microsoft has today launched the Surface Hub 2S in India. The product was initially announced in April last year in the US. Surface Hub 2S specifications. The Surface Hub 2S features a 50-inch 60Hz 4K plus PixelSense display with 3840 by 2560 pixel resolution and 3:2 aspect ratio. It runs on an 8th gen Intel Core i5 processor and features Intel UHD Graphics 620. The company claims the Surface Hub 2S offers a 50% faster graphics performance than the original Surface Hub. In terms of memory and storage, the Surface Hub 2S comes with 8 GB of DDR4 RAM and a 128 GB SSD. For ports and I/O, you get a USB-A port, USB-C port, RJ45 Gigabit Ethernet, HDMI video input, and Mini-DisplayPort for video output. The package also includes the Surface Hub 2 camera and Surface Hub pen. The Surface Hub 2 camera attaches to the Hub 2S magnetically, and features a 4K sensor and a 90-degree field of view. The Surface Hub pen comes with 2 buttons, and a dedicated erase button for added convenience when writing or drawing. You can also avail the Steelcase Roam mobile stand if you're someone who is always on the go. The company says the mobile stand can be moved easily with one hand, and its small footprint fits in all kinds of spaces. The stand features an optional APC Smart UPS Charge mobile battery capable of powering the Surface Hub 2s for 100 minutes. Speaking of the Surface Hub 2S, Microsoft India COO Rajiv Sodhi said, "We've expanded our Surface family to include not just devices designed for individuals, but also devices purpose-built for teams." In view of the current environment and more teams working remotely, the Surface Hub 2S seamlessly blends into any workspace. Surface Hub 2S pricing and availability. Microsoft has priced Surface Hub 2S at Rs. 11,89,999. The price is inclusive of the Surface Hub 2 camera and Surface Hub 2 pen. The product will be available via authorized hub resellers. The Steelcase Roam mobile stand, on the other hand, retails at Rs. 17,500.